Good morning, students. Our last topic of this chapter number 6 is nervous tissue. So, first of all, what are a nervous tissue? Students, nervous tissues are those tissues which are related to the nervous system. Okay. Now, what things comes into the nervous system? First of all, these are the basically brain. You can see here also brain, spinal cord, and nerves. All of the nerves which are related to brain and spinal cord, those are composed of a nervous tissue. And one thing more, all of the tissues, these are composed of cells, and all of the cells which belongs to these nervous tissues, those are known as nerve cells or nervous cells. And its another name is neuron. Okay. What are neuron? These are the nervous cells, and by the composition of these nerve cells further nervous tissues are formed, and these nervous tissues are of the brain and spinal cord. Mainly all of the control of our body is by the brain and by the spinal cord. Okay, major role is played by the brain, and second then after that the spinal cord comes, which controls the all of the reactions, all of the stimuli, and all of the responses of the body. And all of the cells of our body have a ability to respond to the stimuli. Okay, whatever the stimuli comes from the from the outside. For example, we has touched any hot object. Okay, when the hot object is touched, that is a stimuli or stimulus. Stimulus means any thing which is giving stimulus to the body from the outside, like hot water, it is a stimulus. Now what is the reaction of our body? The reaction of our body will be, we will take our hand at the back side. Okay, that is the response of the body by the brain or by the spinal cord. So it is a stimuli or response. Now basically in this topic we have to cover the structure of a neuron. Neuron consists of a cell body, nucleus, and cytoplasm. Okay, and apart from this, axons are present on it, dendrites are present, and all of these collectively makes a neuron and helps in to collect the stimulus. Okay, and gives the response to the by the body to the any organ. Okay, you can see here it's a structure of a neuron. Okay, and it's in its structure, it is a cell body, and in the cell body it is the nucleus present. Apart from the nucleus, these are the hair like or arm like structure, these are known as the dendrites, and it is a elongated and branched structure, it is known as a axon, and at the last these are the nerve endings. Now what is the function of dendrite? It sends the message from the outside. Any message which is given by the body, it is sensed by the dendrites, and from the dendrite then it is passed along the axon, and in the along the axon message travel in the form of impulse, and after the axon this message goes to the nerve endings, and from the nerve endings this message is passed out to next neuron. So by this way, this information, any information from the body, from the brain, from the spinal cord, it travels in the form of impulses from axon to axon. And then what is the reaction of the body? What is the message given by the brain? What is the message given by the spinal cord? That is a transfer to the organ. For example, as I given to you example earlier also, when we touch a hot object, this information passed to this dendrite. Okay, and from the dendrite along the axon, from the axon to the nerve ending, and now from this one axon this information will be passed to the next neuron, and from the neuron to neuron this message will be given to the hand that you take out the hand back. Okay, there is a hot object, there is a hot water, you take a hand back. So by this way any information travels to the neurons. So students, by this this our chapter number 6 is complete. So it was all about the tissues of the plants and animals, and activities I already have sent to you in the group. Okay, along on the side. So you have to complete now its NCERT question answer. You can see here also. These are given exercise also, and same question, some questions are given at the in the between pages also. All of those activities as well as question answer you have to complete on your peer notebooks. Thank you so much, students.